Hello, myself Dimple. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Because of my interest in the field of embryology, I was looking for this course, and while searching for the institutes providing this course, I came across Asia Pacific Institute of Embryology, Mysore. ASPIER took my very attention for being the only institute offering clinical embryology along with preimplantation genetics. Now, being a student of ASPIER, I am very grateful to the institution, the faculty, and the entire staff for making my journey as a student memorable and grooming me so well. I would like to tell how ASPIRE is different from other institutes is that it focuses not only on theory but more on practicals and improving hands on skills, which makes us more confident. And since the evaluation is done based on your practical skills, it is an added advantage. The faculty is highly skilled, knowledgeable, and passionate about their subjects and provides a great learning environment. I owe to say that the dedicated faculty, especially Dr. Suresh Katera sir, who is also the director of the institute, had many years of experience in the field of embryology, who shares his experience from India and abroad, especially Singapore. He had a very unique and interesting way of teaching. He is one of the early pioneers in the field of embryology. He also had a lot of years of teaching experience as a professor in various universities abroad. ASPIER also provides campus placements, providing us opportunities for our future. I strongly recommend ASPIER for those who seek to achieve their academic goals. From my personal experience, I can tell that ASPIER is the best place for any aspiring embryologist. Thank you. All the best.